interesting algebra equation. A dot A dot 3 times dot A is equal to 3 times V x A. So what is the result? A is unknown. According to the exponent rule, when the bases are same of each term, so we add their exponent. We take just only one term and we add their exponent, and here power exponent is 1 of each term, and here is when the bases are same. In case of addition, we add their coefficient, and here is 1 and here is 1, we get, and here 3a. So now we get a cube is equal to 3a. We transfer this result, we are making in here minus 3a is equal to 0. So we are taking common, a is common, a square minus 3 is the remaining is equal to 0. It means that this result contains two results. A is equal to 0 or and a square minus 3 is equal to 0. Here a square is equal to 3. Now we are taking square root on both sides is equal to 3. This will be cancelled. A is equal to plus minus 3 under the root. So this is the result of. If we want to check this result, now we apply in here checking of each term, check. So now in place of, we put in here the first result A is equal to 0, 0 dot 0 dot 0 is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0. So 3 times we multiply 0 and 3 times we add, so result is 0. Similarly, if we take only positive signs, A is equal to plus 3 under the root, so we get 3 times 3 under the root into 3 under the root into 3 under the root 3 times. So now look here, 3 under the root plus 3 under the root plus 3 under the root. If we add this result 3 times when the bases are same, so according to the product rules we add their powers. Each term is power is 1, so we get 3, and here the coefficient is, so we get 3 under the root 3, 3 under the root 3. Now this result is equal to, not equal to each other, so it means that this is not the solution of this problem. So if we can write this result A, this will be 3 by 2, and here is this result 3 and 2. If we want to check 3, 1 by 2, no, the results are same, and here is 3 and here is 3. If we want to check this result, we can write this 1 by 2 whole exponent of 3, and this result is 3 and 2, 3, 1 by 2. Now according to the rule, double exponent rule, 3 multiplied by 1, we get 3 by 2. Similarly in here we take one base, we add their power, 1 plus 1 by 2. Now 3 and 3 by 2 is equal to 3. We take only LCM, and here 1, 2 and 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 2 plus 1. Simplify this result, 3 by 2 is equal to 3 and 3 by 2. Yes, A is equal to 3 under the root is the solution of this question. Similarly, if you want to check in here, A is equal to minus 3 under the root. So what will happen? Minus 3 under the root into minus 3 under the root into minus 3 under the root. 3 times we substitute the results multiplication, and here 3 times we add minus 3 under the root plus and minus 3 under the root plus and minus 3 under the root. 3 times we add. Now 3 times if we multiply minus, so we get negative 3 under the root 3 as we get, and here they are positive numbers we get, and 3 power is 3. So now, and we get in here minus 3 under the root and plus into minus, minus 3 under the root and minus 3 under the root. Now this term again we can simplify this terms 3 and we can write 1 by 2 power is 3 is equal to, now we add their coefficient and each term is 1 minus 3 under the root 3. So now again we take and here the same process we get 3 and 3 by 2 similarly, and here we get minus 3 and 2 3 1 by 2. Now we take in here LCM. LCM means here we take first base are same, we take their, we add their exponent minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So minus 3 and 3 by 2 is equal to minus 3 and 2 plus 1 3 by 2. So the results are same. It means that so the all three solution are the solution set, and here a is equal to 0 and a is equal to plus 3 and a is equal to minus 3 is the solution of this question. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more.